sunt Daniel Berisu, Romo Dermanian Kid, and today I'm gonna do a video presentation again with weapons, and this time I have the polar bear knife again, and I have a sword, a double-edged sword. The way you can use those, it's if you stand up, basically it's just how you fight. You can use this to parry your front hand, and then you can use this for slashes. And then if he comes back, you can still block with this one or slash with this one, and you kind of use it like I said in the first video, like hooks, uppercuts, and straight jabs. And then this one, from the back one, you can use for slashes. So with this one, you can measure your distance, and then with this one, you can stab, slash, slash, slash low, the mixed action, then stab inside. Basically, just kind of get in the flow situation. This one will be like your parry hand, your parry and blocking hand, using the blade to block, and this one will be to strike and to slash in the target wherever he comes. He comes here, slash, slash, slash. Someone comes there, maybe a kick, then come back, slash, slash, slash. Always to the angles. And then with this one you adjust. Then you come back. So you can hold your guard like something like this. You can bring it in tighter if you want to. Just like that. Slash, slash, cut. Stab, stab, stab. Using jabs. Guys, so since we're outside, I have more space to demonstrate. So yeah, basically, like I said, slashes to the angle. Now we have the basic slashes. So upward slash, upward from the back, slash, then midsection, stab. The midsection, you can stab like this, you can stab like this. If you stab like this, you can like parry it. But if he parries from some reason your sword with another stick or sword, or your hand goes down, but you can bring it back in a motion here. So kind of like, you know, mix it up like Kung Fu or Wing Chun or Wushu or whatever moves. And you also have jumps, like if you back up, you jump for the neck. Then you have punches, so slash, punch, slash, steal elbow if you can, slash, cut, kick. Yeah guys, so basically those are your main slashes that you have, and stabs, like that. The way you can practice this is if you have a stick and you have a friend, you know, that wants to help you out and train, just hit it stick to stick and hit it in those basic motions. Up, up, you know, down, down. Go over your slashes, hit stick to stick, stab as you stab, turn. If he stabs, you can work then your defense too, like you turn this way, he slashes, move this way. Use your stick to like block and parry, and learn how to do distance management. You know, use leverage just like in jiu-jitsu, but just use the weapon like an extension of your arm. And then go over your kicks too. Get comfortable with your weapon to do cool tricks like that, like you see in the movies. Use kicks, distance management, movement, you know, find your leverage, find the way you move and you're comfortable with it. That's pretty much it. Then, if you don't have a sword, which is more realistic, you're on the street, you can also carry a pen sometimes, like this nice army pen. Just carry it in your pocket, and if somebody messes with you, just go grab it quick, and you can use the pen to same movement, see? And you will use the pen more to stab, like stab around the neck area, maybe switch up like this and stab, and then use it as in a boxing style, or in a karate or Wing Chun style or jiu-jitsu, like grab the neck, even like wrestling, underhook the arm, underneath the armpit, turn them over, stab him in the back, or in the butt cheek, or in the leg. Choose your targets, whatever's your preference, or whatever damage you want to do to the guy that's attacking you. It's his fault for attacking you. If it gets really dangerous and there are multiple guys, you can go for neck, main artery. If you turn the pan on, it works even better because he has the tip, so you will stab easier. Then if he punches and you parry his punch, you can use the pen right in between the knuckles. There's pressure points here. If you try with friends, only if you press really hard with your thumb in the knuckles will open. So imagine if this pen goes into the knuckles. If you guys saw the movie Bourne Identity and Bourne Supremacy, the Bourne movie, what's his name? The actor from Bourne, Matt Damon, that's how you say it? Yeah. Matt Damon, he uses that very well. Like he fights this assassin that's attacking him, and the guy has a knife, and he just grabs a pen, Matt Damon, and he fights him, and as the guy misses, you know, with the knife, he just turns on his pen and stabs him straight in the fist. Very, very effective. So yeah, a pen in the right hands can become a very effective weapon. I have some friends on Instagram, Mr. David from London. He's very good at demonstrating pen techniques, screwdriver techniques, little things that you can find and transform them in a weapon in the moment of heat. So yeah, pen, weapon of choice. Just turn it on, use it like this, use it like this. Just be comfortable with it. You know, punch, punch, punch. Do your punches, do your parries, do your Wing Chun, do your speed punches, kicks. You know, kick the leg, kick the face, still kick, grab, neck, grab over. Use the underhooks to grab the arms or the neck and to stab. You know, depending on how many opponents come, keep your breathing and fight them all. You know, find your ground and just use that. Until next time, stay safe, practice your martial arts, keep checking me out on YouTube, Elushin Birisu, Martial Arts and Self-Defense, and on Facebook at Daniel Birisu, and on Instagram at Daniel Birisu. Peace.